What's up guys, Moritz here from Sectionster once again, and today I'll be showing you once again how you can save yourself a lot of time, money and not needing to hire an expensive developer. And the section we will be having a look today is the block section right here. You can fully customize that whole thing, and I'll show you in a couple easy steps how you can download it, install it and do that as well. So yeah, let's get right into it. The first thing I did for it was headed on over to the Shopify app store where I got the Section Store app completely for free. It's a non-subscription app which does contain over 150 fully customizable Shopify components. And after opening up the app in the Shopify admin area, just head on over to Explore Sections where you can find the Block 5 section right here. That does mean we did already build 4 other ones, which are also really nice, but today we will be focusing on this one particularly. And I already own this section. Like I said already, app itself is completely free. For this one, we do charge a little fee of $9, but I think if you add it all together, you don't need a developer, you still have all the customization options in the world, and it's a big time saver as well. So I think at the end of the day, it's a pretty good deal. All right, after successfully getting the section, head back to the My Section areas of the app, where you can find it right here, add it to the theme you're using. In my case, it's the Dawn Light theme. It does work on every theme though. And after that, just open it up in the theme editor. I've already done so too. So yeah, let's add this lovely section right here. We're just gonna click on add section, type in block, and it should pop up immediately. It's the block 5, and we should see a little default version right here. Perfect, let's save it up. And as you can see right here, we're not seeing any content yet, but before we can actually see it, of course, we have to decide what content we do want to see. First few things we could do is adding a headline and stuff like that. But yeah, like I said already, we do want to see some content now. I'm just gonna click on here and select the collection of blocks I actually want to see. It's the news one. So here I have some pre-created blocks I already done. So those ones are the ones the section is getting the data from dynamically, and it's getting displayed right here. And what you can customize is pretty much everything inside and all the visual parts of this section. So we could decide how many we want to see per row. You could also just do 1. Then it would take up a lot of space. I do think 3 is a perfect number for this section because it was pretty much made for that. And yeah, we can also tweak around with the grid gap. So it's going to be a bit bigger, a bit smaller. Let's go with that. The card border radius is something we can change as well. It's getting a bit more round. We can get this really nice hover effect, which I do like. We could also get rid of it, but I'm going to keep it. Decide what image ratio it's going to be. So we have square, portrait, but I do think the landscape looks best in that case. We can add a little border thickness as well to the images. I also think that one does look nice. You can decide where the content is aligned. If it's going to be on the left, the right side, whatever you prefer. I think left makes the more sense. Of course, it is fully responsive as well. So I just want to show it to you on mobile real quick. Now we're going to switch back to desktop. And yeah, pretty much everything in that thing is customizable as well. All the font sizes. Can also change the read more to explore the blog. At the end of the day, it is up to you. And yeah, last few things I would like to change is the, we can show this little button arrow as well or not. I'm gonna keep it, but yeah, I'll do some color changes as well because that is something we can do too. So maybe we want to change it to blue. If we hover it now, it's still gonna be black, but that's something we can change too. The card shadow color. And now it's going to be all blue. I think that's a really nice effect. And yeah, pretty much all the headings and stuff like that is changeable too. So we could do the button color in a different color. Also the arrow is something we can change as well. So let's make that one blue too, so it all adds up. And yeah, I'm just gonna save it up real quick and we will have a look at it in the live version. Can add some more margins and paddings right here. Decide if it's gonna be lazy load, full width, whatever you prefer actually. Let's open it up real quick. Check out the live version, and after that we can pretty much round it up already. Let's have a look at it. Loading super fast as well, and if we click on it, it's just gonna bring us to the block itself. Image wasn't optimized in that case, but yeah, as you can see here, the links are working as well. And yeah, I hope you guys found that useful. If you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.